In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Figma fonts. So as you can see over here, I have some text, and if I select it, you can see over here under typography, you have your different fonts over here. However, if you would like to add a custom font in here, it's actually very simple. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is you will have to download Figma for desktop from their website. And then once you actually do this, which is from this website, by the way, so it's figma.com/downloads, and you want to get the desktop app over here, and you don't have to get this font installer because it already comes included with the font installer whenever you get the desktop app. So that's the first thing you want to do, and then all you have to do is just get a font you would like to install. So as you can see over here in my downloads folder, I actually have one of these fonts. It's called Super Shiny, and I'm going to just extract it. So we have to extract it because usually it's going to be a zipped folder. You want to open up that folder, you want to click on the font, it's going to pop up, and then you want to click on install up here, and this will basically install your font onto your computer. So once that's done, you can see the install button grays out, which means it's successfully been installed. Then all you have to do is you have to just close down Figma, and then you have to open it up again, just like this. There we go. You want to open up the app, and then you just want to load up the project, whichever you of course want to use the font in. So you were able to see earlier, I just had some text called subscribe on my screen over here, which by the way you should. And then you want to just basically highlight this text. You want to go to typography down here, and you want to search for the text. So for example, super, and as you can see, it says Super Shiny over here. This is now a new font. Now, where it says all fonts over here, you can also do installed by you, and as you can see, you'll be able to see different fonts you installed onto your computer, and this one is the new one I installed right now. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.